Hi, I'm Steve from DMGAudio. We've received some questions about how Limitless compares to a multiband compressor. Not that we're working on anything like that. Okay, how does Limitless differ from a multiband compressor? Let's break it down. Sometimes, when we're limiting a mix, it can be helpful to use two limiters, one to control transients and one to control overall dynamics. Limitless integrates both parts of this process and offers 6 bands of linear phase crossover. Multiband compression starts by splitting the signal into separate frequency bands and allows you to apply individual compression settings to each band. The ratio settings determine the amount of gain reduction. Limitless, however, tries to intelligently achieve the most transparent outcome. It uses a numerical solver, sample by sample, to work out the gain reduction for each band, keeping it as gentle as possible while keeping the signal limited. As a result, the idea of limiting replaces the idea of ratios. In multiband compression, the bands can be totally independent, but in Limitless, the bands really do know about each other. Let's listen to these different processes in action. Most of the time, you might just lower the threshold to get Limitless working hard. Then, fine-tune the release to match your mix. For further control over gain reduction, you can adjust the separation and weighting parameters. Separation sets how much each band's gain reduction is influenced by the other bands. Weighting allows you to prioritize gain reduction across the bands for perceptual loudness, accurate bass response, or somewhere in between. So that's how the design philosophy of Limitless differs from multiband compression. In short, it helps you do less work. We hope that clears up any confusion. As always, you can grab a free 30-day demo so you can try out Limitless or any of our plugins for yourself. Grab it from the DMG site and stay tuned for more from us soon.